please tell me like about English language.
Okay, okay. Yes, of course. I will talk.
Because why I'm telling with you, I saw your videos. You are making a video. It's fantastic. I appreciate you, brother. I'm impressed with you. Okay,
Oh,
you're
thank
doing great. Okay, so brother, you always try to make a video English environment. We can say English video. That's great thing. So what about English language? Like how do we learn an easy way, and what is the difficulty? And for example, if I beginner, so what should I do? And about how to create atmosphere. So please, if you have any knowledge, if you have any idea, so please share with me. Definitely it's going to help for each other.
Okay, okay. Yeah, of
Please.
course. Yeah, of course, I will share with you. So first of all, if you talk about how can we create atmosphere for English, so this is good question for those people who want to learn English, who are ready for learning English. Yeah, this is great question and good question. So first of all, we have to do some works because if you want to learn English, if you are excited to learn English, so we have to make interest in our mind. We have to make interest in our heart because I want to learn English and I will learn English. Even it will take for a long time or even it will take a short time, it doesn't matter. Time doesn't matter. If you are going for do any work, so that time don't think this this work will take 6 months, 3 months, for 1 year for doing this work. Never compare your time. Never think about your time. If you think about your time, then many people, they become demotivate themselves. So okay, so never think about our time. And first one thing that we have to do, because if you are a beginner level, so just we have to study about basic knowledge. Like if
Okay.
you are not, yeah, like if you are not joining any spoken class, because if I talk about my journey, so first of all, I joined one spoken class, and there I started to learn English because there I was studying about some some rules, some grammar rules like can, could, should, might, would,
Mhm.
like to, able to, yeah, like this. We have to learn many modal verbs. So when we will learn many modal verbs, so that time we can learn how to make sentences. And usually we can also remember every day we have to make a routine. Every day we can also remember many English words like around 5 or 10 according to
Mhm.
your ability. Yeah, according to your ability, according to your power, words power, you can write every day 5 or 10 words in your notebook, and after that we can remember every day. And we have to follow basic knowledge. Like first of all, we need to complete tense, and we need to complete many modal verbs. And when we complete, and that time we can also practice with our friends. And if you have no any friends, so that time do one, you can take your mobile, and after it you can start your recording, and you can speak whatever is in your mind, whatever you want to speak, you can speak. You can choose any topic, like because in your home there are many types of things. So suppose that you have a chair, so you can talk about chair. What is the advantage of chair? What is the disadvantage of chair? How is my chair? What is the color of my chair? You can make many questions, and after that you can talk about your chair. That will be good. You can talk about your mobile. You can talk about your father. You can talk about your mother. So like this, we have to talk every day. So when we will practice like this, so we can become perfect in English. We can become frankly, we can speak frankly, yes, and we can also improve our pronunciation. This is also good. So like, so we have to always try to learn type of activity, and after that automatically we can speak. But and and at that time it will be better. You can practice with your friend. But if you have no any friend, so you can start your recording, you can record your video, and you can also speak in front of mirror. So that will be better, and you can improve a lot in your life, and you can do better, and you can very quickly. So I always like this type of activities, this type of tips, and I always try to tell to anyone. Yeah.
Oh, I see. It was nice speech, brother. Seriously, like I agree with you. All content is like true, brother. Seriously, if we follow this thing, definitely we will master. So, brother,
Yeah.
I can see on your video, YouTube video, okay, over there you tried to talk about like Clapingo and Camly. So,
Yes.
please tell me about your journey, about like how much rupees you spend over there, for Clapingo and for Camly, and when did you start this thing? Please tell me.
Okay. If I talk about my Kelepingo journey, if I talk about my Camly journey, so I started 5 months ago. I first of all I started Camly because for the first time I subscribed Camly for 1 month, and after that I took 4 classes. It means 4 sessions on Camly, and that time I was enjoying a lot. I was learning English. So because whenever I called to native speaker for the first time, so that time I was feeling good because for the first time I was talking with native speaker. So that time I was feeling good. I was feeling so nice because today I am talking with native speaker, and it's not easy to talk with native speaker because if you are not wasting your money, if you are not spending your money, so it's not easy task. It's not a piece of cake to talk with native speaker. So that time I was feeling good, and I also got any experience with native speaker. And so after that, when I completed my 1 month subscription, so when my 1 month subscription expired, so after that I subscribed only for 3 months, and continuously I used to talk with native speaker for 3 months. But now I am talking with Indian tutor on Klepingo application. So Klepingo application is also good. We can talk with Indian tutors, and we can use Klepingo, and that will be better for improve our English. Yes. So I
All right.
recommend.
So, brother, how much rupees you spend like in the duration 3 months on Camly? How much rupees you spend?
Yeah, total I have spent 7,000 for Camly.
7,000.
Yeah, and 1,000 for Kelepingo. So in my life, total I have spent 8,000 money for talking with foreigner person.
But brother, I heard about like you talk about I heard about clapping. I mean Camly over there 1 month subscription around 6,000. Am I right?
Yeah, many types of subscription because if you choose long time, like if you choose 30 minutes or an hour, so your subscription will be increased because if you choose 15 minutes, so you need to pay less money. But if you choose more than 15 minutes, so that time you have to pay more money. According to your minutes, yeah, according to your minutes, you have to pay money. And also
Okay.
according to, yeah, and also according to your days, because I was talking 1 day in a week. So in 1 month I was talking with native speaker for 4 times, only for 4 times.
Okay. Only for 4 time you talked with native
Yeah,
Twitter.
yeah,
Oh, I
in
see.
1 month, yes.
So what about Clappingo? What about Clappingo? How much rupees you spend? Like
Yeah,
1,000.
Kelepingo is same process like Camly, but Kelepingo is cheap. Like you can say, Kelepingo is cheap than Camly because on Camly you need to spend 1,500 for 1 month only for class, and on Camly. But if you want to use Kelepingo, so you need to pay money around 900 for 1 month. So Kelepingo is less than Camly.
Oh, I see. That's good. So you have a great experience about two platform like Clappingo and Camly. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
How was your experience, brother? How was your experience? Like, are you were enjoying over there or not? How was your experience? Like, good or bad? Please share with me.
Yeah, my experience was also good because I was enjoying a lot, and I learned many things in my life. And first of all, I knew about whenever any native speaker is speaking. So how can we understand their accent? Because that is more important and that is very necessary. So I got that type of point in my life. How can I understand? Because whenever I talk with a non-person, whenever I talk with foreigners people, so that time I can understand easily. It doesn't matter. Sometimes I speak slowly, but it doesn't matter if you compare my speaking, because this guy is speaking so slow, so I think he can't understand fast speech. So it doesn't like that. I can understand.
Oh, I see. So,
But
brother, like
yeah,
whenever you try to conversation with native Twitter, so that moment, were you feeling to like stuck, like some, sometime what happened?
no,
Because,
no.
for example, right now you are, we can say like you are native Twitter, and you have a well educated, you have a well degree, you have a good accent, and you are, like we can say British, you belong to America, whatever, in English country, just assume that, okay? But sometime, if you talk about myself, brothers, like whenever I conversation with any native Twitter, that moment, sometime it's time to come. We can say I do not understand some word, some grammar part, some accent. So what about your side? Like whenever you're doing a conversation with native, so were you understanding everything or not?
Yeah, everything. I was able to understand everything, and today I'm also able to understand everything.
Okay, that's great. That's why reason I was confusing. Like, okay, that's good. So,
No,
brother,
yeah,
like, yeah, tell me.
yes. Once time I was talking with native speaker on Cambly application. So she was telling me, Anil, your English is so good and you are speaking good, but you can only improve your pronunciation and sometimes you have to face. And one thing, you can speak slowly. Even you can speak loudly, it doesn't matter. But don't speak fast. You know, if you speak fast, then other people can't understand. And if they will not understand, so they will think that you are also speaking right or wrong. They can't recognize. They can't compare. So we have to always speak slowly. You can speak loudly. This is good, but never speak fast. Whenever you are going to talk with anyone and you are speaking so fast, so you can enjoy with your friend, you can enjoy with your partner, but other person they can't enjoy, they can't understand what are you saying. But if you are saying hello my lovely friend, how are you? So also many friends they can understand and they will also think, oh, he's speaking so nice, so that will be good. But you are speaking hello my dear friend, how are you? I am good, how are you? Are you good or not? If you speak fast, so they can't enjoy, they can't understand. I always try to speak slowly, and this is good for me because I don't want to learn and I don't want to speak fast because in my life I want to become English lecturer. And if I go to anywhere for teaching purpose, if I am going to deliver my speech on the stage, so I need to speak slowly. I need to speak loudly, but I don't need to speak fast because I have to explain my students. I have to explain to my audience. So if they are not able to get my point, then what my will be there? Because they will think, no, this is not good teacher, this is not good lecturer. So always speak slowly. Always try to explain to anyone. Always try to make understand to anyone. That will be better. I don't like to speak. This is my main purpose of my speaking.
Oh, I see, brother. Seriously, today you taught me like, how to start the English language, how to learn,
Yeah,
how to speak in front of people. Yeah, that's great, brother. Thank you
yeah.
very much for, sharing your idea, your experience.
Yes, you
Seriously,
are
it's
welcome, my
amazing.
dear friend. You are welcome, my dear friend. You can ask to me anytime, and I am always with you.
Okay, thank you very much, brother. It's like, I feel too happy with you because you have a great
I
knowledge,
also
you
feel,
have a
I
good
also feel
experience
very like you.
family about Clappingo, and already you took a good, like